welcome to another interesting episode at Oh Mind Your Body, where we deliver fresh homemade salads and sushi across Mumbai. Today we are going to talk about an interesting topic that we all really want to know about. What is it? What is it? Okay. Worried about losing your weight? Then we have your back. Today we will be talking with our dietitian Riya Doshi. How to lose weight, what are the tips and what are the tricks and what all you can do to take care and lose weight effectively. And thank you Neha Bhabhi for joining in. We will quickly wait for Riya to join in, and before that let me introduce myself. My name is Dhwani Gala. I am the founder and owner at Oh Mind Your Body, where we deliver fresh homemade salads and sushi across Mumbai and teach you all how to make some beautiful sushis. So what is the agenda for doing all these lives? We want you guys to really be proactive and healthy and live a healthy lifestyle, and that's about it. So feel good within, feel good external. Everything is just what you eat. So that is why we're doing these series of food where you can eat healthy and just be more healthy. Let's get our dietitian Riya Doshi on board. And let's have her with us in less than a minute. We have her. We've just put her. Hi, how are you doing?
Hi, I'm doing good. How are you?
I need to adjust my camera.
Yeah, that's what even I'm doing. So you're looking so pretty today, Dhwani.
Thank you so
What is
much.
what is so special?
Nothing special. I'm just feeling very, very happy. And like I'm just feeling very happy internal. That's why it's reflecting, I think.
Amazing, amazing.
So what's up with you? You're looking very happy too, man. Oh, this is like
I'm always happy. I'm always awesome and happy.
yeah, that is what I love about you. That's really
So
what
so today so today is my very favorite topic, okay? And I'm very passionate about this and very aggressive about this. Okay, so I'm just so looking forward to speak about it because out of this, after hearing me, if 1% can make a difference, okay, to their health, I will be extremely happy. Okay, it gives me a kick
I can
that you
relate with you, yeah, because that is what you're into. You are consulting a
absolutely,
diet, like consulting diets for people. You are a certified nutritionist and a dietitian who's practicing this since over years. And I think that's the purpose of the difference in one person's life by just changing their diet. So I can really feel you, because I think that is what our goal is. By just changing one meal of the day to make a difference in people's life, by just substituting one meal to a salad. Like I can relate because our goals are so similar. We just want to make a difference in people's life in however we can.
absolutely,
So let's
absolutely,
get started.
absolutely. Yes,
I think
let's
that is the
get
reason we are
started.
also doing these live series, honestly, because we really want to make a difference in people's lives, with the care,
Absolutely.
information and everything. So yeah, let's get
Hi, hi
started.
everyone.
Yes,
Everyone waving hi.
guys, thank you
Hi.
guys for joining in. Thank you, Komal. Thank you, Shalu. Thank you, Dharmendra. Thank you, Vidula. Everyone, thank you guys. So let's get started. What is weight loss, Riya?
Okay, so weight loss is an emotion. Okay, weight loss is an emotion because what we see is our health. Okay, we directly relate it to the weight we carry. Okay, if you see at least Indians, okay, Asians, basically, they believe that if I'm thin, if I'm lean, then I am healthy and I'm happy. Okay, if I am a little overweight, they're just not happy. They live in guilt, they eat in guilt. So, weight loss is nothing but having the optimum amount of fats, muscles, in their body, okay, which is according to the height, age, weight. So, weight loss is nothing but it's good health. So, if you want to lose weight, it has to happen because of good weight and not because of only cosmetic reasons that I want to look good.
I think absolutely well said. And honestly, what we miss as individuals or as Indians is this only. The major thing that I feel we all miss is this. So absolutely well said. And I'm just setting my camera because it's acting weird today. Just give me a moment.
Yes,
I think yeah, this should be good. है ना?
yes, absolutely.
So now
Perfect.
voice is echoing.
Yeah, I think Dhwani's voice, right? Because even I can feel the squeak, you
अभी
know. अभी फिलहाल तो नहीं लग रहा है. I think we can carry on.
तो उसको स्टैंड में रखती हूँ तो वैसा हो जाता है अभी. Ah, it's again happening.
You also can, right? Hear your squeak.
I don't know why.
Guys, you can just tell us, okay, when the voice is squeaking. I mean, she can adjust it probably. Still the same.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, I can also hear it. Let me try my headphones. 1 minute, wait.
So, guys, I think we are having a little technical glitch over here. Okay. And so we're just trying to sort it out. So you just got to wait 1 or 2 minutes, and I think it will be done. Yeah, that's what she's doing. She's trying headphones so that it's all clear from her head. Last time it was internet. This time it is headphones. I don't know what is happening.
I also don't know, but let's see. So yeah, let's quickly get started. Who should
Yes,
consider losing weight?
one who has decided to lose weight. Okay, so let me tell you one thing that weight loss doesn't start because you have to do it. It starts because you want to do it. Okay, so first thing is realization that you have lost weight. Okay, and so people who can consider losing weight is someone who has mentally prepared themselves. Okay, even if you have to lose weight, first thing the weight loss happens here, and then so it is never from here. It is from here first. Okay,
True.
जैसे जो कहते हैं ना कि कोई भी चीज 2 बार बनती है, right? If a pen, okay, pen एक बार दिमाग में सोचते हैं, and then it actually happens. So same way. So weight loss is basically a lifestyle change. It is not something which is temporary. It is something which is permanent and has to be gradually adopted. Okay. Anybody who thinks their weight is higher, anybody who has a threat, a future threat of getting diseases, I think they should go on weight loss. Anybody who feels that they need to really do it now, who believes that prevention is better than cure, they should go on weight loss. Okay, so my advice is not to wait for the disease to enter because of obesity or overweight issues. You should act now. If you are maintaining the optimum weight right now, okay, then it can be throughout. You will learn to maintain your weight throughout.
I think
So yes.
very well
Hi,
said.
Joshua.
All these
Yeah.
are my cousins who have come back. Welcome, guys. You all are most welcome to do whatever you like.
Nice
Anyways,
thought.
okay, let's
Okay.
get started. Okay, let's continue. So, what should one actually be concerned about or serious when losing weight? Like, what should one be serious about, or what should one's concern be?
If you really, really want to lose weight, okay, if you really want to lose weight, as I just mentioned, that it is a lifestyle change, it is a permanent change, not a temporary change. One has to take care of the habits that one forms. Okay, write it down. I would advise write these habits down, write your day down. Okay, write what is happening throughout the day, what you're eating throughout the day, what are your cravings. Okay, so you need to be very careful or rather mindful as to what is happening with you throughout the day. Okay, which food you are going towards. Okay, are you going towards the high caloric food? Do you think about food all the time? Are you eating food even after having your meals? Okay, so there is a whole lot of things that you need to take care. But to start with, what you can do is you can list down your day, okay, for a week, observe it, and then start making small changes. Okay, If you start making small changes, sustainable changes, then weight loss will happen automatically. You really do not have to push yourself more. All right,
That's
to make
absolutely
some
well
changes.
said.
So yes, this is one thing that you need to take care. So yes, consistency is something that will really make you lose weight or maybe reach your goal, and a lifestyle change. So these two things are very, very important. In fact, I would say this is the mantra. This is the weight loss mantra. Okay, that is consistency in the changes that you keep on making, which and also be aware of the lifestyle that you're leading and make changes in that consistently. So this is the mantra of weight loss.
This is a very, very interesting method. I think we all know, but we cannot follow it. That's the whole problem, and I think that's where everyone goes wrong. So,
Absolutely.
according to you, next question is my favorite. What are the heroes and villains of losing weight, according to you?
Okay, so let me talk about the villains first. Okay, that what doesn't really um, not help you lose weight. Okay, when it comes to losing weight, one needs to be friendly or make food your friend. अगर आप फूड से पंगा लोगे तो that becomes your villain. Okay, if you're choosing the right food at the right time in the right amount, you will always get up, or it is very easier for you to say no to the wrong food. Very
Mm,
easy.
yeah.
Okay, so choosing the right food is very, very important. So let me just first talk about the villains, okay, that what doesn't allow you to lose weight. First thing is your cravings for white sugar, okay, salt, unhealthy fats, okay. So white sugar, so anything that is white, for example, white sugar, white salt, maida, rice. These are these four things, four villains जो खड़े हैं. If you are able to change them consistently, trust me or believe me, you will be able to knock off weight gradually and trust me, permanently. So make these small changes, okay? एक एक करके इस हीरो विलन को उड़ा दो अपने लाइफ से. Okay, make or choose healthier versions of them. Okay. Now, a combination of fat, sugar, and salt, extremely, extremely harmful. And this is what we crave the most. Okay, कुछ मीठा खाना है या तो कुछ नमकीन खाना है. Something simple we want to eat, that is emotional eating, right? So this is the villain. So if you're hungry and if your go-to box or your go-to food is the right one, okay, आपको पता है आपको cravings होती है, आपको पता है you have emotional eating. The first thing that you can do is, keep the boxes or keep your nashta or your go-to boxes healthy. अगर खाना भी पड़े, if you're eating also, you will go and eat the right one. You binge on the right one, not the wrong one. Right? So the combination of fat, sugar, and salt will increase your craving all the more. Right? अगर आप chocolates खा रहे हो, अगर आप cake खा रहे हो, okay, donut है, ice cream है. So this combination will increase your cravings more. It will maybe temporarily make you feel good. Magar, in the long run, it is going to increase your cravings. So that is one, right? White rice. Rice is a staple food to so many of them. Start by having unpolished rice and then switch on to brown rice. Unpolished brown rice. A rice without fiber is of not much use in your body. All
Mm,
right. So if
yeah.
you can gradually start replacing it, okay, पहले हफ्ते में एक बार किया, फिर हफ्ते में 2 बार, फिर 3 बार. That's the way gradually one can knock off their villains. Imagine, how it would be. So these are the small changes. Okay, alcohol. Alcohol, social drinking, absolutely fine. Even I have alcohol socially. Okay, but I know how much to have, where to stop, where to start, and when to start and where to stop. Right? So if you know this, then I think you have actually, conquered your villains. Hormonal imbalance, any kind of hormonal imbalance in your body is a villain. So if you're not losing weight or if you're having difficulty losing weight, then you need to actually work on your hormonal imbalances. So first, treat your root cause and then treat your weight loss, weight gain. You cannot directly jump up to it. You have to identify your root cause. Second, the other one is your gut microbiome. If you're, I've been for the last 1 month, I have been speaking about just, how important it is for your gut to be healthy, your stomach to be healthy. If you do
Absolutely.
not have a healthy gut, okay, if you're constipated on and off quite often, if you are, having bloating, if you are not feeling that great indigestion in your stomach, then you will always have difficulty losing weight. All right. So it is very important to treat these villains. So these are hindrances, these are the villains that will come in your way. Once you start having the heroes, the villains will be automatically knocked off. But this was one way where,
Absolutely, yes.
villains could be, the villains of weight loss can be handled, okay, very smartly. Okay. Now I'll talk about the heroes. Most of us have heard about the heroes, and I would like to also talk about it. And they are real heroes. Okay, first is your food. Okay, first is your food. Your food, as in your food, has to be rich in fiber. For weight loss, if your food is lacking, if your diet is lacking in fiber, you will definitely have difficulty losing weight. So, first thing is your fiber. Your first hero is your fiber. Okay, if you're having fiber, then it's very important to have good amount of water. Okay, if you're having enough fiber, but if you're not having enough amount of water, then again you will see yourself constipated.
Yeah.
Okay, you will not really, or maybe you will have difficulty losing weight. So fiber and water will go hand in hand. All right,
Yep.
your go-to boxes, as I said, आप जो अपने घर पे स्टोर करते हैं, अपने बैग में स्टोर करते हैं, अपने वर्क प्लेस पे, ऑफिस पे जो स्टोर करते हैं, that is your hero. If you're choosing healthy snacks, trust me, guys, you will definitely binge on something good. Okay,
Yeah,
so
at
that
least,
is
yeah,
your
that
hero.
would be really helpful, like, because storing healthy snacks is one of the key elements in losing weight, I feel.
Exactly, exactly. Right? Then comes your breakfast. If you skip your breakfast, and not only breakfast, I would rather say having meals at regular intervals, every 2 to 3 hours, if you have certain amount of good food, all right, you will see yourself losing weight. You will see yourself craving less. You will see yourself, putting in less efforts to lose weight because you're nourishing your body with good amount of food every 2 hours. If you're skipping off your breakfast and you directly jump on to lunch, okay, then what will happen? Your lunch becomes your food where you will, how you lust for things, you will lust for that and you will literally pounce on it. All right. So that is something that you need to see. That's your hero, right? Your regular meals are your heroes. Okay. Your diet or your weight loss would be extremely difficult if you do not include good amounts, good servings of vegetables and fruits and salads. So if you do not, okay, because they are one of the richest source, they're one of the richest source of fiber, okay,
Yeah,
and essential vitamins and minerals, which will reduce your cravings. Okay, so if that is not
absolutely.
included, which is your hero again, so if that is not included, you will definitely have issues. So you need to go back, you need to check, you need to look at your diary and see what all is lacking. कौन सा हीरो ज्यादा है या villain ज्यादा
Villains
है,
are there, right?
right? So self analysis extremely important, and then start making those desired changes. You may or may not require a professional help. Okay, but at least start doing this because when you go for a professional help, she's also going to ask to do the same thing. All
Right.
right. So these are certain villains, certain heroes that I spoke about both of them. Yeah.
I think very, very elaboratively and well explained in a way where people can understand what you're saying, rather than talking those kind of languages and scientific languages where people cannot relate to. So very well explained, I think, Riya.
Yeah, so the point is, Dhwani, that if I'm giving time here, and if I'm talking to people, and if people are listening to me, they need to get some value where they can immediately go and apply. If they cannot apply, if doesn't make logic, if it is not practical, then the entire time that we have invested here, the efforts that we invested, you, me, and the audience, it goes waste.
Absolutely right.
It's very important to be very practical when it comes to weight loss, especially weight loss.
Yeah, because everyone has their own gyan that they have.
Absolutely.
So let me get to the next question, which is my favorite question again. Why are salads important in losing weight?
First thing that I would like to mention here is, as I just mentioned, that salad is one of the biggest salads or vegetables for that matter. Okay, because they provide you the essential vitamins that are required. If you skip salad, you're skipping your vitamins, which is, the major, your food, every meal should have these five foods, your carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. अगर आपने वो नहीं खाया, gone. You are skipping your vitamins. Imagine you're inviting a lot of craving for yourself. Second thing is, uh, vegetables give you a lot of, uh, they give you a feeling of fullness when you have, because of the fiber content in it. Some are water rich, some are fiber rich. So they give you a feeling of fullness. मान लो आप रोटी और दाल रोज खा रहे हो. Okay, so you may tend to have more carbs because there is hardly any fiber in
Right.
it. Okay, so vegetables and salads will give you that kind of fiber that is required. All right. So it is extremely important. I said weight loss will be very difficult without salad. Okay. I understand when it comes to salad or having vegetables, people are very scared. People are very skeptical. Ki, oh God, boiled khana padega. But Dhwani, you know this very well. Okay, that how you can make a salad look very interesting. Okay, taste
Yeah.
very interesting. Guys, if you don't know, Dhwani is an expert in this, and she can make a boring salad or a boring vegetable extremely healthy. Okay, so taste bhi hai or health bhi hai. Both. Because I myself believe that if I cannot have boiled vegetables, how can my clients have boiled vegetables? It is not possible. I mean, आप एक हफ्ता खा लोगे, उसके बाद क्या? Okay, so
Yeah.
one needs to enjoy what they're eating. So salad and vegetables have to be interesting.
Yeah, I
All right.
agree with you, and that is why this whole venture also started, is because I believe that anything that you eat needs to be healthy and tasty. And if
Absolutely.
you cannot really enjoy your food, there's no point having your food.
Yeah, Tanvi, I agree with you. I too love salad. Yeah.
So yeah,
So,
thank you for that. So go ahead.
yeah, so weight loss is not a punishment. Trust me. Having fruits, salads, vegetables, or healthy food is not a punishment. So one needs to thoroughly enjoy the weight loss process, because when someone asks you, when you remember your weight loss journey, it has to bring a smile on your face, and it should not, be like a pile-on event for you. All right. So it is very important to include this food and also enjoy them equally. So this is where, the expertise come into picture, which we can help you, if you really need that. But yes, definitely, you need to be very aware as to, or you should be ready, rather mentally ready or prepared to,
Start making these
for the
changes in
weight
your
loss.
life. Yeah.
Absolutely.
So quickly, let's get to our next question: is what can be the whole day menu or a daily routine for someone who's trying to lose weight?
See, it is honestly, it is very different for different people. One cloth, okay, one top, okay, of large size cannot fit all the large size women the same way, or the diet chart cannot be the same for everyone. But yes, there are certain changes that one needs to make any which ways, no matter what height, weight you are. But there are certain things that you need to include. So a daily routine, you can start your day by having warm water and a little lemon into it. Okay, this actually activates your body. आपको जगा देता है, literally. Okay, so that's the first thing that you can have. A pinch of cinnamon powder. Okay, cinnamon activates your metabolism, so it's extremely important. It takes care of over 150 diseases. Okay, so cinnamon is very, very good. If you can put it in your coffee, you can. Okay, or if you want to put it, you just have to have a pinch of it and gulp down the water. So that is something that you can have. Maybe a little nuts that you can have, or if you're going for your morning exercise, then probably you can include some dry fruits. So dry fruits, nuts, and oil seeds are three different things. Dry fruits are supposed to be had uh, before your exercise regime, okay, and your nuts are supposed to be had after your exercise regime. So अगर आप बादाम खा रहे हो, काजू खा रहे हो, पिस्ता खा रहे हो, अगर आप walnuts खा रहे हो, it has to be. So all these are nuts, okay, it has to be had after your exercise because they are protein rich. Okay, khajur, anjeer, apricot, raisins, or black currants, okay, need to be had before your workout. Okay, so this is something you need to have your workout in the morning is what I would really recommend. Second, go for your breakfast. Your breakfast has to be carbohydrate rich. Okay, more of carbohydrates. Make sure you add little amount of proteins in that. Just अगर आप पोहा खा रहे हो, for example, make sure that you're adding some vegetables into it. Okay, आप प्याज डाल रहे हो, आप मटर डाल रहे हो, आप टमाटर डाल रहे हो. Also, you can put gajar into it and sprinkle some sprouts on it. So that makes a complete meal. Okay? Make sure whenever you're having any meal of the day, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins or minerals, ये पांच चीजें अगर होगी, तो you will be satisfied really. Okay?
I
So
agree
these
with
five
you.
things, yeah. So these you need to have ideas, or else you can consult Dhwani, how to make your normal boring nashta also very interesting. You need to have a mid-morning snack, okay, maybe a fruit, okay, maybe a nut or a dry fruit, okay, or maybe coconut water, yeah, normal chash, your buttermilk or your lime juice or a vegetable juice, any of these things. हम normally भी ले सकते हैं ये. Okay, so a mid-morning. So mid-morning is something between breakfast and your lunch. So a mid-morning snack is extremely important. You don't have to binge on it, but then yes, you have to take care. Don't skip it. Because इतना सा है, तो मैं skip कर लूंगा. Don't have that attitude. You need to have something during that time. Because you just started to get hungry. Your energy just started to dip. So it's important to have some kind of energy food that time. All right. Then comes your lunch. Okay. Lunch में आपको याद रखना है. Normally an Indian food or an Indian thali would have roti, sabzi, dal, chawal, salad, papad, chutney, achar. My God. Okay.
And
Office
फरियारा
goer,
मतलब if you are Gujarati, that फरार होता है ना, something.
fried snack.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
some
yeah, yeah.
tidbits. Exactly. So make sure that if you really want to lose weight, have one type of carbohydrate. That is, अगर आप रोटी खा रहे हो तो सिर्फ रोटी खाइए. अगर आप राइस खा रहे हो तो सिर्फ राइस खाइए. Your stomach these days, because of the less activity and the sedentary lifestyle that we have, the stomach is not equipped to digest two type of
Right,
carbohydrates.
right.
So mixing of two grains also is not advised. जैसे अगर आप जवार बाजरा भी खा रहे हो, don't mix it. Have one grain at one time. That will really help you. Okay? Vegetable, dal and salad. ये आपका मील है. अब आप उसका पराठा बना लो, आप फ्रैंकी बना लो, आप जो चाहे वो बना सकते हो. Okay? Masala rotis bana lo. You can have anything. Okay, but make it interesting. Don't make it boring. Okay,
Yeah.
lunch and dinner के बीच में होता है evening snack. Okay, evening snack has to be had. It cannot just be chai and coffee. You can definitely have chai coffee, but it just cannot be only chai coffee. Okay, there needs to be some amount of light snacks. And this is the time when people really crave. Okay, तो अगर आपको ऐसा लग रहा है, I know the hunger is at the peakest at this time. Trust me, have a fruit first. I would advise have a fruit first and then go for, something light that is ek mutti bhar ke, just one fist of chana and singdana, that is your peanuts and chana. That will really help you. It will fill up your stomach. Chana quantity is more, peanuts is less. 3/4 is to 1/4, or say 4 is to 1 quantity. All right. Then your makhanas, your kurmuras, there are so many options that you can have during this time.
Over
And
here, you recommend high protein snacks like protein wale snacks.
we can have protein snacks. See, if you have protein at this time, definitely the cravings would dip down. Okay, but a little amount of carbs is also important to satisfy the hunger peak that you are experiencing at that time. So a little bit of carb, a little bit of salty food, and proteins. Okay,
Okay.
so this can definitely help you control, and you will not go towards the fast food, okay, junk food. So if you can very effectively control your, maybe a fruit, okay, maybe a fruit and sprouts. Why not? Ho gaya. If it is Gujarati or Marwadis, you can have white dhoklas, steamed dhoklas and fruit at this time. Okay, an apple and a
Right.
peanut butter on top of it. Serves good, right? The craving is less, it serves good. Dhwani, I can't see you.
Yeah, yeah. 1 second. I think there is my camera just fell like a mad person. Wait. Yeah.
Right? So that can be your ideal evening snack. The dinner has to be really light. It really has to be lighter. If you go for high protein dinners with little amount of carbohydrate, that works wonders. It will allow you to lose weight very effectively. Okay. Now I'll tell you one, this is a mindset issue. Okay. We always feel, we always feel as Indians that अगर रोटी नहीं खाया ना, राइस नहीं खाया ना, मैं भूखी रह जाऊंगी या मैं भूखा रह जाऊंगा. माई मील इज नॉट कंप्लीट विदाउट इट. अगर मेरी मम्मी ने मुझे देख लिया कि मैं डिनर में रोटी नहीं खा रही हूँ, मैं सिर्फ दाल खा रही हूँ, मैं सिर्फ दही खा रही हूँ, मैं सिर्फ स्प्राउट्स खा रही हूँ, तो शी विल फील दैट आई बिकम वीक. So that's your mindset. That's a conditioning which we are born with. We need to break that. Why? Because the same amount of calories are not burned by us no matter what we do, okay, because the lifestyle has changed. Everything is present at the click of a button. Okay, so the calories expended are also very less, so you have to make a deliberate attempt to eat less so that you burn more calories, right? I know why Tanvi is laughing. I know
Yeah,
why she's
yeah.
laughing, because her mother is on my diet and she's facing the same issue. Right? So, but it is a wonderful experience if I am giving a moong dal chila or a pudla or a besan ka pudla with vegetables. Okay, I can see people enjoying. They just enjoy this. They don't have the urge of having rotis, or they don't have the urge of having
Yeah.
rice. Okay, so it's an amazing, protein-rich dinner is something that I would really recommend to lose weight at dinners. Okay, with a little bit of carbs, like a brown rice, broccoli, and rajma. Amazing combination. आप खा सकते हो. But if you go overboard with the quantity, and then you tell me that I have not lost weight, that is not my fault. वैसे भी brown rice आप ज़्यादा नहीं खा पाओगे, right? So you can try that out. And evening and dinner, if you have not had a evening fruit, you can probably have a fruit at night, especially when you're constipated. If you're experiencing difficulty in digestion, your digestion is less or low, then what you can do is you can have either a papaya, pineapple, or a mango in the mango season at night. Just a bowl full of it just before you go to bed.
Do you
So you
recommend this to even diabetics?
I do recommend to diabetics. See, diabetics can have fruit sugars. They can have natural sugars. And that's what I would like to say, that, when you replace your sugars, have natural sugars which are present in vegetables, which are present in fruits, dry fruits. But cut down on your sugars, your cane sugar, honey, jaggery, even your coconut sugar, maple syrup. I think, a little bit of it is okay. 5 to 10 grams in a day is okay. But if you're really losing to lose a lot of weight, then you need to cut down on this, because they are the villains for your weight loss. So you need to quickly start replacing it.
Perfect. So I think you very well explained what should one have, and to just just get it back, we need to have all the five sources of our foods, which is carbs, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals in our food in every meal.
Yes. Yeah, exactly. That's the mantra. If you can have or manage them in your main meals, that is your breakfast, lunch, and dinner, I think more than half the battle is won.
Perfect. So that's very, very well explained. And I think this is what people who are trying to lose weight forget. They just eat either vegetables and fruits, which is only carbs, जिसमें major protein sources नहीं आते, and then they tend to lose muscle weight, which is again not healthy.
And they feel happy that they have lost weight, but they don't
Yeah.
realize they're losing muscle weight, which
Yes.
is which is I
Which is
mean
going to
really
hamper in long
sad.
term loss because your proteins are not there, metabolism is going to go low, and you're going to not be able to lose weight as easily as you would maybe, after some point, because you've lost all your
Absolutely.
protein weight, your muscle mass.
Absolutely. That will again, create a hindrance. And
So yeah,
we human beings are conditioned for having instant gratification. Kuch bhi we want ऐसे fast. We don't want to invest our efforts into losing weight. If you invest your efforts right, then the investment will pay very great returns. Is something that we need to remember. There has
yes,
to be delayed gratification. अगर आप results आराम से काम करोगे, then I think it will do wonders.
perfect. I think very, very well explained, Ria. Let's get to our last question, which is what are your 6 tips to losing weight?
I would rather today tell you that it is a mantra. Okay, 6 mantras of losing weight. Okay, the first is that don't weigh yourself. If you're really looking to lose weight, guys, don't weigh yourself. Okay, that will demotivate you. If you're not losing weight, it will demotivate you. You need to track your success. Okay, track your success. Your clothes will tell you, your inch loss will tell you that you have started losing weight. So it has to be a very beautiful experience. So don't, I would rather really stress on this that don't really keep on weighing yourself. Ideally, you should not. Okay, करना है तो once in a month कर लो, but not more than that. Okay, so that's the first thing. Second thing is write a schedule, as I just started the session with that. That is the mantra. Write your daily schedule, your routine as to what you're having, even your habits. Okay. And then sit and, you can take probably an advice from your expert, or you can probably, where you're going wrong, right? And start making one change at a time. Okay. So for example, in this, if I am having sugar in my tea and I'm used to it. Okay, so probably for 1 teaspoon or 2 teaspoon sugar ke jagah pe I'm cutting down to one, and then probably half. Every alternate days I'm having half, and then I see myself gradually quitting it. Okay, so these are the small changes. I mean, this was just a very small example. I mean, there are so many changes. Eating on time is one change, simple change. Okay,
Right.
so this is something that one can really invest into and really pay attention or focus rather than weight क्यों नहीं कम हो रहा है, वेट करने के लिए क्या खाऊं, कैसे खाऊं, उस पे फोकस करना चाहिए rather than क्या खाऊं, right? Third is mindful eating. Okay, I'm going to have a live session on mindful eating completely, like mindfulness, okay, where I cannot stress enough how important it is to lose weight. If you're enjoying your food, you're not doing anything else. If you are really savoring you are enjoying the smell, the fragrance of it, the texture of it, if you're chewing it well, if you can feel every flavor, every bit of your food, trust me, the satiety level is so high.
I
Okay,
agree.
with the two rotis, also the satiety level is very high. Be present there and there when you're eating. So this also calls for chewing your food well. You really need to chew your food well. Okay. So if you don't chew your food well, there goes everything for a toss. You will keep on feeling hungry all the time. So just by chewing your food, we have 32 teeth. You are supposed to actually chew your every bite, every morsel for 32 times. I know it is not possible, but uska आधा तो कर सकते हैं, right? At least make a conscious effort to chew it. because your digestion starts in your mouth itself. So if you can do this, I think, half the battle of your digestion is won.
Yeah.
Okay, and your satiety value, that satiety मतलब भूख लगने की जो signals हैं, okay, वो कम हो जाएंगे. All right. So that is something which is there. Another mantra, which that is the fourth mantra, is your sleep. Okay. And today people are facing a lot of sleep issues. And if you don't sleep well, simple thing, you will not lose weight. आप चाहे जितनी एक्सरसाइज कर लो, आप चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो,
Yeah,
वजन
that
कम नहीं
happens
होगा.
with me.
Okay,
I cannot lose weight if I'm sleeping not well. Like I need my hours of sleep. Without that, next day only I see the difference. That I have put on at least bloating हो जाता है या कुछ हो जाता है. So all these, yeah, what you're saying is so perfect.
so sleep, okay, we need to really manage the sleep because uh, there has to be a timing. Like how you time your food, how you time office जाने का time same है, सब है. But why the sleep timings are not sorted? Okay, we do it according to convenience. Okay, our body clock वो हिल जाता है. Okay, and you will see yourself not losing weight effectively. Okay, this generation today, and even us, yeah, we are getting into the habit, or we are rather becoming a slave to our gadgets, okay, to the digital platform that we are having today, and that really affects your weight. Why did we not, why so many of us put on weight during the lockdown? Because we had really no activities, nothing to do. We were on the social media all the time. ऑल राइट एंड कल तो आराम से उठना है ना, कुछ काम नहीं है, ऑफिस नहीं जाना है, आराम से आज नेटफ्लिक्स पे पूरी सीरीज देख डालता हूँ. ओके, इट गिव्स यू दैट किक, बट व्हाट हैपेंस टू योर वेट? सो दैट स्लोज योर मेटाबॉलिज्म डाउन. सो यू रियली नीड टू टेक केयर ऑफ योर स्लीप. सिंपल है, अगर आप ढंग से सो जाते हो, इमेजिन हाउ इजी इट इज टू lose weight. You get up fresh, you get up active, you want to do everything. Then you will also get up looking forward to your exercises. वरना exercise भी boring हो जाएगा. Okay. The fifth thing, okay, is exercise. As you can get into regular exercises, a structured form of exercise like walking, jogging, yoga, Surya Namaskar, high intensity core strengthening, gym, definitely that helps for weight loss. But let me tell you a secret here. Okay. There is something called as NEAT. Okay. That is non-exercise activity thermogenesis. Technical word, you don't need to focus on that, but NEAT करना है. NEAT नहीं, NEAT करना है. Okay. What is NEAT? These are activities which are not structured. जैसे मैंने उठ के पानी लिया. ओके, मैंने आज खिड़की साफ की, मैंने आज कुछ साफ किया. तो एनी एक्टिविटी विच इज नॉट एन एक्सरसाइज, विच इज नॉट स्ट्रक्चर, जो हम एवरी डे करते हैं, instead of telling your child to get water for you or get that remote for you, you need to get up and do those
Do it
activities.
yourself.
Do it yourself. You literally need to move yourself every few minutes. अगर आप 1 घंटा बैठ रहे हो तो make sure, okay, or rather I would say 30 minutes अगर बैठ रहे हो तो 3 to 5 minutes you have to get up and do some exercise on an average. This will help you lose weight. Trust me, because that will keep your metabolism at the optimum level. Lazy couch potato हो जाओगे तो नहीं होगा. I guarantee you. Okay. And sixth and the last mantra is stress. How effectively you react to your particular situation. Okay. Now I'll tell you one very scientific thing behind this. Whenever you are stressed, there is a hormone that is released that is called as cortisol, which makes weight loss difficult. So if you take care of your stress, okay, you will effectively manage your stress hormones as well. Okay. So meditation, simple meditation, 10 minutes of deep breathing, talking to yourself, good talking to yourself. Okay. Focusing on music, on nature, on anything that you love will help you manage stress every day. Cortisol increase होने से you will see yourself, your stress जितना, rather आपका stress levels जितना high है, you will see that your abdominal obesity is increasing. Okay. So now don't ask, अरे मेरा weight तो ठीक है, मेरा abdominal obesity बढ़ रहा है. And you
Yeah.
just need to check your stress levels for that then. Okay. So
Yes.
these are the 6 mantras. And last, the concluding sentence that I would like to tell you here is that if you tell yourself that whenever you go on to something, I'm going on an exercising regime, I'm going on this class, I'm going on that class, I'm going on a diet, if you make it an event, you will see yourself immediately going off it. Okay, you will not be able to sustain it. So this has to be a lifestyle. It has to be permanent. It cannot be temporary. So you have to really go slow, adopt the changes, be conscious, focus, and live mindfully. The moment you start doing that, you will see tremendous changes in yourself. Thank
Perfect.
you.
I think very, very well addressed, very, very elaboratively explained. We'll quickly take up the questions. We have one question from Tanvi. She says, please explain the difference between soup and a salad. Like, is there a certain change in both?
Of course, see, salads are raw. They are raw form of vegetables. Okay, so there are these fibers, okay, which are important when you have them in a raw form. Okay, that is very effective for digestion. So that is very important. That brings about satiety, that controls your hunger. So salads are important. Soups. Soups are basically cooked form of vegetable and a very healthier version of it. Okay, you can include multiple soups into it. So multiple vegetables into one soup. So it is power-packed source of vitamins and minerals. So they are definitely two different things. One is a cooked form and one is a raw form, and they serve different purposes altogether. All right. One
Perfect.
has a lot of fiber. Definitely the other one also has, but it is loaded with vitamins and minerals.
Perfect. We'll get to our next question. What are the other reasons behind stubborn belly fat other than cortisol, and how to deal with the belly fat?
See, okay, when it comes to belly fat, I know there are many people who are concerned. And if you ask me that there is some mantra or some food to reduce your belly fat, then I will say no, there is not. Okay, you lose weight overall. जहाँ वजन ज्यादा है वहाँ आप ज्यादा weight loss कर पाओगे. All right. Now, belly fat also increases because you're having too much of food and too fast. Okay. Is my voice squeaking? No, right? Okay.
I think
Okay.
today there is some issue, but it's okay. You can go ahead.
Okay. So, belly fat, if you're having, in the dinner, if you're having too much of food and too fast, that can increase your belly fat. So yes, if you ask me, what is one of the reason? This is one of the reason. Okay, plus your hormones and imbalanced hormones also causes a belly fat increase in belly fat. Also, your poor digestion or your poor gut health also increases your gut levels. You need to check on all these parameters before you go for weight loss, or rather, if you want to go for weight loss, you need to treat this first. So these are the few reasons why and how you need to focus on.
I think very well addressed. Thank you, Kajal. She says she's a very big fan of my salad. So thank you
Oh
for that.
yes.
I think you addressed today's topic really pretty well and elaboratively. I think someone who's facing a lot of issue and losing it should really follow what you said, and I think they'll start seeing little changes in their health, which is like basic. They should just start doing.
Absolutely. You need to be very practical and logical when it comes to weight loss. And if you're serious about it, then definitely, if you follow these tips that I have given you, trust me, you will see yourself losing weight. And if there is anything else, then you can always DM me. I'm there for you. Yeah?
So yes, I think we are done for the day, and we will sign off.
Yes. Thank you so much for having me and
Thank
listening
you,
to me.
Ria. Thank you, Ria, for coming over and explaining this topic of weight loss so beautifully to each and every one of us. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye, Dhwani. See you. Signing off.
Yes. So here we had Ria from the Yellow Bowl. She is a dietitian that is always there with us, who's always addressing all our topics and questions so beautifully and so elaboratively with her knowledge. And me, Dhwani Gala, signing off, who is the founder and owner at Oh Mind Your Body and we deliver fresh homemade salads and sushi across Mumbai and teach you all amazing people how to make some amazing sushi. Stay tuned for another interesting episode next week, same time, and see you all.